both knees into your chest. You decide if you'd like to add some movement to your practice, rocking left and right, side to side. Maybe just finding the stillness of bringing your knees into your chest, giving yourself a nice little hug there. Keep holding on to the right knee as you extend left leg long. Take a few rounds of bending and straightening your right knee towards the ceiling. With your right leg straight, walk your hands up the back of the right leg, bending your elbows out to the side. Take a nice deep hamstring stretch here. Exhale, gently walk your hands back down your leg, bending back into the right knee. Trace circles on the ceiling with that knee, circling clockwise and counterclockwise. Last few rotations for the right hip. And take your right knee out to your right side. You can use right hand as a kickstand to kind of rest the outside of that knee in your palm. See if you can keep your leg, your knee, the same distance away from you. And then facing the right foot towards the ceiling, we come into a half happy baby pose. So making sure that that knee stays wide to really get into right hip. As you release the sole of the right foot, draw that knee across your body, coming into a twist. Arms can be long like a capital T or bent elbows, turning your head to look over right shoulder. Make your way back onto your backs, hugging both knees in one more time. Without using your hands, just allow your knees to fall left and right, side to side, for a few rounds like that. Helping to twist out the spinal column, internal organs. Gentle activation for the obliques, not too much here. Back at center, keep holding on to your left shin as you extend right leg long. Grabbing onto the back of the left thigh, take a few rounds of bending and straightening that leg towards the ceiling. With the left leg straight, walk your hands up the back of your left leg, any amount. It does not have to be very far up your leg. We're just using our hands and bending in our elbows to get a deeper stretch on the back of the left hamstring. Gently walk your hands back down, bending back into the left knee. Left elbow and left palm act as a kickstand to help support that knee as we stretch out the inner thigh muscles. And we'll move into our half happy baby on the left, so grabbing for the sole of the left foot. As the sole of that foot faces up towards the ceiling. Take a few breaths here. releasing the sole of the left foot. Draw that knee all the way across the body, coming into a twist. Arms can be capital T, bent at your elbows. If you'd like to add in your neck stretch, just turn your head away from your left knee. Gently roll back onto your back, hugging both knees in. Allow the knees to fall left and right, side to side. One more time.